Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Oreo channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to bookmark post or tweet on Twitter for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's go to the start. First, we go to the Twitter application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Twitter, and after that, you can scroll away that you want to be bookmarked. And if you're down to deciding about this tweet or the post, you can click on this, and then you can click the three dots in the upper of the right corner. You can adjust also to save it. And now the image is saved. And how to be bookmark it, you can go to the symbol in the below, click on, and choose about the bookmarks. And now the tweet add to your bookmarks. Okay, go to the bookmarks, click on the symbol of the timeline in the below of the left corner, and you can go to the profile picture in the upper of the left corner. And the next step, you can go to the bookmarks. And now the tweet that you have been to bookmark has bookmarks now. Okay, it's very simple way to do it. This is a tutorial how to bookmark post or tweet on Twitter for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.